Why you should buy whole life and invest the difference rather than BTID. The first reason is that whole life insurance covers you up to age 100. Yung term insurance, limited lang. Minsan, 5 years term lang, 10 years lang, up to age 65, yung iba up to age 80, up to age 84. Not to mention na nagmamahal yung term insurance. So darating yung time na kapag 50 ka na, 55 ka na, 60 ka na, mas mahal na siya compared to the whole life na fixed yung premium niya. So that's one of the major reasons. And term insurance is just temporary, 'di ba? Natatapos siyang bayaran pero natatapos din yung coverage. What if you outlive your term insurance? Or yun nga, hindi mo na kayang bayaran dahil mas mahal. 'Di ba? So, yes, it's good to invest the difference, but I believe that buy whole life, invest the difference is a better strategy. The second reason why I'm telling you to buy whole life, invest the difference rather than BTID is it promotes discipline and commitment. Di ba kaya nga tayo nag-i-invest kasi gusto nating madisiplina rin. Di ba? The main concern is that dahil mas mababa ng konti yung premium ng term, kapag hindi mo na siya kayang bayaran, sabi mo na, ay, hindi na ako kukuha ng insurance, no? And then, nagkaroon ng sakit, uninsurable ka na, hindi ka na pwede bumili ng life insurance. So, sayang lang. Di ba? But with whole life insurance, dahil naka-fixed premium siya, let's say 10 years to pay or 20 years to pay, or pay up to age 65, tapos covered ka na up to age 100, alam mo na yung, you have to save a certain amount na regular on a monthly basis or on an annual basis. Pangalawa, lalo na kunyari long term yan, 10 years, 20 years, sabihin na natin yung 30,000 a year today, compared to 30,000 10 years or 20 years from now, maliit na lang yung value na yun from sa ganung panahon. But still, you're paying the same and you're covered the same amount. 'Di ba? So, you get to be disciplined kasi regular, 'di ba? You got to save on a regular basis. Nabibuild yung disiplina mo of saving your money and protecting yourself. So, yun yung intangibles na hindi nakikita. Diba? The third thing is that only 2% of term insurance policies is enforced when they're needed. No, so again, umattend ako ng MDRT convention, Global Conference 2019 sa Sydney, and I heard one of the speakers talk about it. And I did the research. Actually, I made a separate video about this, the truth about term insurance, what some of the other gurus don't tell you about it. So I made the research and makikita nyo doon talaga na it's people studied na only 2%, even less than that, yung nape-pay out simply because people don't continue paying it, people take it for granted. No, so the question is, are you going to play against the odds that you'll be part of the 2% or 1% who actually is disciplined enough? Diba? Or you will just, sa simula pa lang, play it right na may discipline na kagad, committed ka na kagad sa long term and then fixed premium. Number 4, the fourth reason why buy whole life, invest the difference is better than BTID is that people lose money in investments anyway. Especially, when you're just starting, or even though, matagal ka na rin, we lose money in investments. It doesn't mean that it's wrong to invest. I also invest. I actually encourage people to invest. But when you put all of your money or most of your money in investment and then dinownplay mo masyado yung life insurance, hindi mo siya masyadong pahalagahan, you put a very small amount like term insurance nga, sayang yung nasimulan mo, no? Kung mauubos lang din doon. At least, when you start a whole life insurance, medyo malaki na hulog mo, malaki din yung coverage mo, and natatapos siya. Kunyari, after 5 years, then you went downhill sa investment mo. Meron ka nang nasimulang 5 years sa whole life, and kung 10 years yun, edi kalahati ka na. Kung 20 years yun, edi 15 years na lang yung kailangan mong bayaran. You don't go back from scratch. You don't go back to zero na sad-sad talaga na naman. 'Di ba? So, and a lot of people are so optimistic about BTID, buy term invest the difference, as if what you're investing hindi malulugi. Okay yun, no? So, kung lahat ng lalagyan mo is will be fixed income instruments, guaranteed. Pero paano kung hindi guaranteed? Paano if you put your money in the business? What if you put your money in mutual funds, which is also not guaranteed? What if you put your money in the stock market, which is also not guaranteed? Diba? So, there's a big risk of also losing your investments or, matalo siya. Diba? A lot of people, sinisiraan yung VUL, no? Ang sama ng loob nila, after 3 years, hindi kumita. Hindi rin naman sure kung kikita yung investments mo outside, di ba? So, it's not, BTID or term insurance is not the end all and be all. I believe if you really want to manage your own fund, at the very least, get a whole life insurance. Number 5, no, of course, ang maganda sa whole life insurance, you finish paying it. No, although ang original design talaga ng whole life, it should pay up to age 100, pero nag-evolve na yan. Meron ng tinatawag na limited pay whole life insurance wherein, yun nga, 10 years to pay lang, 5 years to pay lang, 20 years to pay lang, pay up to age 65 lang. Pero ang coverage mo up to age 100. And I love whole life insurance policies na yung may critical illness coverage din. Kasi like one of my favorite products, the AIA Critical Protect 100 ng Film Life, is really covering you health insurance, critical illnesses, up to age 100. Yung life insurance actually bonus na lang pag hindi ka nagkasakit. Diba? So that's really a game changer, diba? What if, let's say, may mga term insurance, sabihin natin, meron mga critical illness yung iba, up to age 65 lang, for example. It doesn't cover you beyond that. Gusto naman natin humaba yung buhay natin. So, kung mahaba yung buhay mo and you really like that, term insurance you cannot afford beyond 66, beyond 70, sobrang mahal na yan. But whole life, tapos ka na magbayad, covered ka pa ng illnesses if there is, 'di ba? So, what I'm telling you guys is, I'm still telling you that term insurance is good. I'm not telling you that term insurance is bad. I even have my term insurance policies. I have a lot of clients about term insurance. But I want you to understand that maganda man yung term insurance, the major problem is our discipline. The discipline of people to keep paying it or to give value about it. Diba? And of course, yun nga, yung hindi nila na-realize na 20 years from now, kung gusto pa rin nila ng insurance, at term lang meron sila, wala na silang pambayad kasi sobrang mahal na nun. Diba? So, yung kumita man yung investment mo, yun din yung gagamitin mo to buy insurance din. Diba? So, it doesn't really make sense lang din na ganun. No? So, if you want to learn about the product that I talked about, AIA Critical Protect, I have a separate video about it. I made a product review. So I will leave the link in the description of this video, and you can even search about that AIA Critical Protect. You can search my name, DJ Dimaliuat. And if you would want to ask for quotations about whole life insurance, I just need your full name and your birth date. So send me those details in my Facebook page. Sa Facebook page ko lang po, dun po ako pinakamadaling ma-reach. So just go to DJ Dimaliuat in Facebook or facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat Official. So let me know that you watch this video. You can ask me any questions. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and also hit that like button. It helps this video show to many people who needs this video as well. And at the same time, turn on that notification bell for more of my future videos. So bye-bye guys!